are now part of Enadu Property Show that is being organized at Imperial Gardens in Secunderabad. So this is once again a good platform for all the say prospective buyers or who are all looking for the property to buy. Please do visit. We are the main sponsors for the event. Aparna Constructions. As you know, we have many projects in our fold. Some projects will be completed by this year end, like Aparna Canopy Lotus, villas around 80 lakhs and like that. And say there are apartments also in Aparna Canopy Tulip, that's in Gundla Poshampalli, ready to occupy. So people are already living there. Please do visit and book your apartment. And now those apartments are coming with full house furniture offer, and they are starting from 27 lakhs including registration up to 41 lakhs including registration and including furniture also. So this is a very great opportunity for the people who are looking in and around Secunderabad. This is a right opportunity. And we are left with some open plots also in Canopy Jasmine. So they are around 10,000 rupees for the square yard for the west and 10,500 for the east facing. And coming back to Chandanagar, we have apartments and villas there. Hill Park Gardenia is one project wherein we started in last Dashara. So it will be ready by December 2014. 330 square yards with a 4-bedroom house. Now there is more demand for 4-bedroom villas as well. So that is the reason we have come up with 4-bedroom houses. That's around 3,400 SFT plus. So that project will be delivered by December 2014, and you can come and check the status. It's really making a wonderful progress. So we are sure of delivering in time as we have delivered in the and there are apartments by name Hill Park Lake Breeze. Lake Breeze will be delivered by June 2015, and we have sizes from 1295 2 BHK 1610. And for people who are looking for bigger size apartments, we have 2,335 SFT also there. So and they are of course very limited as you know. So please come and grab the opportunity. Yeah, upcoming we already started Cyber Zone in Nallagandla that address the audience who are looking for anything between 50 lakhs to about 80 lakhs range. And we have Aparna Sarovar Grandi. Grand is one project wherein say that's high-end luxury. Is again high-rise building, 20-storied, 4 apartments only per floor, and 80% open space in that project. So that is coming up really beautiful. And one specific tower is there, comes with centralized AC, and the sizes are around 3,675, 3,750 like that. So that costs around 1.8 CR like that. So that also will be ready by June 2015, Sheikhpet, Jubilee Hills. So location is a USP there because there is hardly any space in and around Banjara Hills area. That's a right perspective. Somebody want to be very close to the core city. So these are all our projects. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hybiz. Good luck.